A day after lockdown was imposed in the national capital, scary scenes have been seen outside Delhi's Lok Nayak Hospital as patients are gasping for breath while waiting for ambulances. Take a look at this disturbing report by India Today's Tanushree Pandey.
The national capital has recorded around 24,000 fresh cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours and 240 deaths. Now, as far as that fatality rate is concerned, it's one of the highest if the national capital is concerned. And with that, and as the government, Delhi government has also conceded that the health infrastructure is on the brim. It's completely overwhelmed. Each and every hospital in the national capital is full. There is an acute shortage of ICU beds and oxygen beds, which is felt in the national capital. And keeping that in mind, the Delhi government had to put a lockdown. Now, we are outside Lok Nayak Hospital, and if you can see, many patients are being turned back by the hospital because there are no beds. मना कर दिया आपको?
बिल्कुल मना कर दिया मैडम, ये कुछ नहीं
बोला है?
बेड ही नहीं हमारे पास। बंदा हमारे को मरे।
आप कब से खड़े हैं सर, क्या दिक्कत है?
मैम हम अभी लेकर आए हैं, कोविड पेशेंट है हमारी दीदी, और यहाँ पे इन्होंने गेट से वापसी बाहर भगा दिया, कह रहे हैं यहाँ बेड खाली नहीं है यहाँ
So
पर।
that's another ambulance with another patient inside it, and the relatives are telling us the Lok Nayak Hospital is asking them to go back due to shortage of beds. They have run out of beds. Oxygen bed चाहिए है आपकी ICU bed? Oxygen आपको ICU bed चाहिए था कि oxygen?
जी ऑक्सीजन बेड चाहिए हमें।
So this is the condition in Delhi where so many patients are waiting to get in oxygen beds, and they are literally waiting outside the hospitals, inside ambulances, and the hospitals are asking them, unfortunately, that we have no beds and we cannot admit you. So this is the condition where the entire health infrastructure is completely overburdened and overwhelmed, and there is virtually no beds available in the hospitals in Delhi. With camera person Hitesh Kumar in Delhi, I'm Tanushree Pandey for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.